How to geotag any photo right from your laptop using a free online tool. Go to tool.geoimgr.com and upload your photo. The site instantly checks if your image already has GPS data. Next, search for the location or drop a pin anywhere on the map where the photo was taken. Watch your exact coordinates appear instantly. Now, scroll down and click Write EXIF tags. GeoImager embeds that location data directly into your photo. Finally, download your image. It's now officially geotagged. You can even verify it by checking the GPS tab in your photo's properties. Pro tip: before sharing online, clear GPS data if it's a private photo. GeoImager lets you remove location tags in one click. And that's it. Quick, simple, and free. Now you can geotag any photo right from your computer. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.